Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another vlog. I have no idea why I'm screaming. The reason why I have makeup on is because I was filming today. I'm Savannah, I just wear makeup. Bure. 1 second, let me reverse. I hate driving. I'm headed to KFC actually with my sister. She's been hungry, so I'm like, I'm gonna take you, and then I think she's gonna get me a burger. But yeah, I was filming a very interesting video that's coming soon. Don't know when, how soon this video will be. I don't know if you guys would get to see that. No, but this one's like a bit far. 2 weeks. Okay, no, you guys might see like the first episode before this vlog goes up anyway. Other than that, to be honest, I have a few, like, what am I up to this week? This week, tomorrow I have to go to the Nur Al Ains. I don't know if you guys know Nasra and Banazir Nur Al Ain. They own a fashion line called the Nur Al Ains. That rhymed. Bars.
You can't be rhyming if you're saying the same word.
No, like line Nur Al Ain. I said they have a fashion line called Nur Al Ain. Checky. Come slowly. Anyway, I'm gonna go see them tomorrow. I was supposed to go last week Friday. I was supposed to go today, but today honestly I woke up super late. I couldn't go, and it's kind of far, so I just said I'll go tomorrow. I got the double crunch burger. Actually, this is one of my favorite burgers from them. This and the Colonel. But do they even have any other burgers? This is the question. It's so big.
Zinger burger.
Oh yeah, you have Zinger burger. But I feel like we got the Zinger version because this is chili either way. Walai. Hey, whenever you need a ride, just let me know. Let's go. Okay, anyway, my sister knows this like really cool popsicle place, and she's like, come, I take us. We go by them, so I'm asking her where it is, and I said, I'm so sorry. Gosh, I'll be demonetized. Anyway, I just got home, guys. I will see you guys later, most probably, or not, when I take this makeup off. Hey guys, oh my god, last time you guys saw me I was in a car, and that was like a couple of days ago, and I didn't vlog ever since. I'm so sorry. I've just been super busy. I've been doing a lot of stuff basically, and trying to vlog has been an issue. So it's kind of like 2 p.m. I woke up earlier, chilled around and everything, blah blah blah, but my face is like kind of dry right now. It's super dry, so I wanted to do a sheet mask with you guys and just sit and chat and talk. My skin has been acting so crazy lately. I don't know what I've been eating or what I've been doing to it. I know I haven't been following my skincare routine diligently. I kind of like mixed up my routine. I honestly don't know what to do with my skin. Like, I have products that I want to try out, but then I don't know, I've just been feeling so impatient with products. That's not how skincare works, and I don't know why I started thinking like this, but of late I've just been thinking, I'll try a product, I'm like, okay, I don't see results. The next day, what now? You get what I mean? Which is so wrong. So I think I need to figure out a routine for my night and day, and then stick to that for a few days. By the way, I just put on a nail polish right now. It's not kind of clean. I'm just waiting for it to completely dry so that I can clean out the edges and everything, but it's in this beautiful lilac color. I've been obsessed with lilac lately. It's probably one of my favorite colors currently. I love the way it looks. By the brand yaazzmineoz, they sell like breathable halal nail polish. That's a thing, it's breathable. I didn't do anything yesterday, by the way. I was just home all day editing and trying to get my life together, but I was trying out a new foundation yesterday all day, and I don't know. Yeah, okay, so I found a sheet mask. This is the Real Nature from the Face Shop. I don't know if you guys know about the Face Shop, but they're like a Korean skincare. Basically, this is the face mask with cucumber extract, and it says #hydrating. So this is the one that helps with hydration, and I really need that for my skin. So we're gonna do that right now, and then also just to give myself like that extra spa feeling and to absorb the products better on my face, I use the jade roller. only thing that sucks about these sheet masks is the this holes that they make for like your mouth and your eyes don't fit me, so. And then you just use the remaining essence. I'm just gonna leave a bit for later, but I use it on my hands and I use it on my neck as well. That's what I do. And then I use my jade roller to just okay, another trick that I learned is basically not having this thing to dry completely. Use the time that it says directly on the packet. Sometimes I would go and stay with the sheet masks like for like till it completely dries on my face, and then all the product, so what happens, it like reverses. So once the sheet mask becomes dry and your skin has absorbed, it works in reverse, and now all the moisture is taken out of your skin and onto the sheet. Basically that's what happens. So good morning guys. Today's Thursday, as we can obviously tell, and I had a really early morning. I had a lot of work to do this morning. Okay, it's currently 9 a.m. but I've been up since like 6:30 I think, 6:40 something. I have a couple meetings today. The weather is so gloomy, it sucks so much. So that's my plan for today. So I have a couple of meetings and then that's done for today. And then tomorrow I have a very exciting shoot actually throughout the day, and then I also have like a mark event to go to at night. I don't know if I will be vlogging the event, only because I vlog with my camera and you guys know how heavy it is. Everyone complains about it because I just want to go and enjoy myself basically. And then on Saturday is Somali Glamour Awards, Saturday night that is, so I'm super excited about that. I actually can't wait. Adulting is hard, so I'm just slowly trying to find my bearings and what I want to do and all that stuff. So inshallah, hopefully things work out for me. I haven't been taking care of my skin. I don't know, you know, that motivation diet. So I will see you guys later. Hi, hello Yasmin's family. Say hi. Hello. I was supposed to start this vlog way earlier, but time was running, so we did one outfit already, and this is the second one. Yeah,
and we're almost out time.
Almost done. Oh, I didn't update you guys. Yes, we're doing a shoot with me, Shiro, and Sharon. At Atibasi, right? Yeah, Atibasi Upper Hill.
It looks so nice.
It's so pretty.
You guys are not ready because we're about to shake the internet.
We're about to shake it. Hold on.
Hold on.
You're not ready.
You only hear about us. You only hear. You
will see. You're about to see. Anyway, yeah, so we've done the first outfit. I'll show you guys a little bit of like BTS shots of us doing our thing, getting the money shots, and yeah, so that's what I've been up to be honest, all day. Can't wait for you guys to see the video. It's actually IGTV video this time around.
So they have to follow
all of us on Instagram, so you guys can have a look at all the videos. So yeah, let's take some selfies. So this is our final outfit. Almost done. Look at this beautiful girl. What's up? How you doing? And then we have Sharon, Wanjiru there, planning, and that's just our videographer and photographer today. Guys, I'll be sharing you guys my pamper routine. It's currently 10 a.m. I'm just going to show you guys what I do to just make myself feel good and special, like just one of those self-care pamper routines. I'm going to take a nice shower, wash my hair, put on a lovely face mask, an extensive skincare routine, get my mani-pedi. I use the guys from Link. I don't know if you guys heard of Link before, but they provide services. So people can come to instead of going to a salon, which I personally prefer. So I'm getting my manicure and pedicure done, which I'm so excited about. The mani lady just got here, so I'm gonna do a little face mask. I haven't done the Aztec clay mask in forever. This is just good for like detoxifying your skin and just pulling out the gunk. I've been filming a lot this week, so and that means I've been wearing a lot of makeup. I just got my mani pedi done. It's later in the day. I just did a little bit of planning with my mask on, of course. I'm gonna take it off now as I jump into the shower, but I just did like a little bit of like content planning for the next week and everything. I had my mani pedi done. I didn't put any nail polish, of course, obviously, because we pray, so it would have beaten the purpose. But my hands are super smooth, my nails look nice and like cut and nice and everything. I like it. So I just wanted to share with you guys a few products that I like for when I'm like what I do to just feel special and pampered in the shower. Obviously, I wash my hair, currently using the L'Oreal Elvive extraordinary oil nourishing shampoo. It's just normal hair with tendency to dry. My hair has been quite dry ever since I bleached it, so I'll be using this, and then I'll obviously go in with the conditioner, and then I will be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with African Rock Fig and Baobab Oil. I did stock up in a lot of these hair masks, so I use them depending on like what my hair is needing that time. So like I mentioned, my hair is feeling a bit dry, so I'm gonna do a little bit of hydration on it, and then I'm gonna go in with like my Clarins exfoliating body scrub for smooth skin with bamboo powder. My legs and my arms were scrubbed by the lady doing my manicure and pedicure. Like I mentioned, they're from Link. I don't know if you guys have heard of that website. Pretty cool, very convenient. I got them when they were having a sale sometime last week for like half price off for like 2 hours, and I was like, you know what, I need a self-care moment. So this is a body scrub I will be using on the rest of my body, just to give my skin a nice exfoliation, a nice even tone, just smooth skin. We all love smooth skin, so I will be using this. I don't know how I feel about this body scrub, to be honest. It's because I've had it for a while, so I'm just using it to get rid of it. The grains are very small, like it's very fine, so you need to like scrub your body like when it's dry. Obviously, I can't bring you guys into the shower with me, duh, but I will see you guys when I'm out and share with you guys what I do to pamper myself. Okay, so I just showered. My hair is currently wet. We're gonna do a sheet mask because nothing beats a pamper routine than a sheet mask. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me grab that for a second. After I put on my mask, I want to put in the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner before I oil my hair and like plait it down into 2 braids. I'm going to leave this in. It's just like intensely smooth and nourishes. A variety of masks, to be honest, that I can choose from. There's these ones from Miniso. Quick plug. Miniso now sells sheet masks for 300 bob, which I find is so affordable, and they have some really good flavors. They have the hot spring with the charcoal fabric. They have just a different one. Should I do this one? What does it do? Moisture and replenishment. Actually boost skin vitality, skin balance, lock in moisture. This is what we're gonna do. I watched this Asian video on Twitter a while back of how he wears his sheet masks, and I was like literally mind blown. You might think those sheet masks were made for their faces because they fit in so well to every crevice. put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm currently put the remaining serum on my face, and I'm just gonna do this for a few more seconds. So once that dries down, I am going to use niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. I love this stuff. It helps with the hyperpigmentation on my skin and just the texture and everything. And then I'm also trying a new vitamin C serum. This is by the brand No BS, and it's the vitamin C plus E serum, pomegranate, hyaluronic, and green tea. So I'll be trying this. I've just started using it literally the other day. It's new, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this pamper routine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah.